All right, it is the day of the drift, and this thing's ready to be sorted, loaded on the trailer, and get out of here. Some of the things I've done between probably the last update is I got a spall fan in there, air P wheel studs with a 15 mil spacer, and I did get the welded diff in. I'm gonna insert a clip of me making all these marks in my parents' backyard. Of course, I did get yelled at, but it's my job as their child to fuck up their yard and then get yelled at. So that's just kind of how it is. Get this thing loaded onto the trailer and then, yeah, get the rest of the shit packed and head out to Tucson because it is the day of drift. All right, trailer loaded, car strapped down. Just waiting for the boys to get here and we will be on our way. All right, made it to the track. Joe, what do you think?
Huh?
What do you think?
I think it might not blow up.
Me too. Get in, unload now. Track right there. Get her going. Get fucking sendy. You wanna hop in? So we can go over?
Sure.
My trunk as I was getting out, or my hood. What hood? What hood? All right, it's my first lap ever.
Yo, you good up now? Good luck, homie.
Thanks, dude. Holy shit, this is crazy. It feels unreal to be on this side of the fence. I don't know if I'm gonna get a lap in. There's 5 minutes left in this group. But I'm sitting here, I'm starting to shake. Like, I'm definitely getting excited. Section there.
Yeah. Like the end of lap 2 was awesome.
Yeah.
And you're right, that back section you're way better at.
Well, I'm able to just like bounce it off rem limiter.
It shot a fireball in the pit too when we went to leave.
Yeah,
that was
Well, cranking.
Yeah. Just got a little extra fuel going on.
All right, I've done about 2 sessions now. I did a session earlier and a lap and then blew off some vacuum line for my boost control, so just pulled off to fix that. Currently the beginner group out, but this thing rips. I'm having a little issue where when I'm at full lock it's rubbing on the sway bar right now. I'll probably just need to get some more heinous spacers and throw a bunch of camber at it, and then yeah, I'll get a bunch more angle. But you know, that's one of those things that you got to figure out in the moment. Also, I do need a catch can. This thing's blowing a lot of blow by, but you know, got to get out here and beat on it to learn that kind of stuff. So once that's good, yeah, this thing's gonna be a mission. It's gonna be sick. Definitely needs to make power like 1,000 RPM sooner, but that's just something you got to learn, you know. I guess, oh, not really learn, it's just what I had. So super sick. got back from that last session. I don't know if the GoPro picks this up, but that turbo is glowing right now. Just faintly, you can see the black body radiation off that thing. I got this thing hot. It got really hot, but yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get another lap in, but this thing's fucking sick. I got so many things I gotta solve to make it just like way better. But yeah, fucking, if I don't get out, that's the end.